and today I'm going to show you how to use a proportional scale. So a lot of times you'll see scales like map scales, or sometimes you'll see proportions when you're dealing with recipes because you need conversions. So we'll deal with a map scale today. Let's say that you're given that 1 inch is equivalent to 50 miles in real life. So you're going to use this ratio that you're given, which is always a proportional relationship on a map, and we're going to write it as a ratio. So we're going to write 1 inch to 50 miles to show how these two numbers are related. And let's say that you're trying to figure out what the real distance equivalent to 4 inches on a map is. You're going to set up a proportion, which is just two ratios that are equal. And the way that you have to use proportional scales is to make sure that whatever unit is in the numerator, you have the same unit in the other numerator. And the same thing goes for the denominator. So if I have inches, inches, and then I have miles and miles. So if I'm given 4 inches, let's say I measured 4 inches on the map, and I want to know what is that equivalent in real distance, I'm going to put an X here since I don't know how many miles that is, and just solve the proportion by cross multiplying. So I have 50 times 4 is 200. I bring down my equal sign. I have X times 1 is just X. So I realize that 4 inches are going to be equivalent to 200 miles. So the most important thing about using proportional scales is to make sure that you have the same units in the numerator and the same units in the denominator.